The drive some pickup is just about done. Took me a minute. I had to cut this piece off. Well, this is all made up because I couldn't get any the pickup tubes for it, but there it is. That one is done. This side is a lot easier, so now for the nut. Now I don't have to do too much to that. But it's tucked. So I have to take this out and weld on the ends. And let's see. Okay, just gotta weld this up and put it back in, and I'm done with that. Fix the other side. What else do I have to do? Gotta change that oil pressure regulator and change the oil pressure regulator and then fix the crank angle. Gotta weld on the crank angle up here and set up the pulley. I guess with that I can start getting ready to put the engine in. So moving right along. Get all this shit done.